Hello and welcome back. Another one of these videos where we have a look at the used car market, but these are not your usual used cars. We normally look at the fastest hatchback under 10 grand, 5 grand, or the fastest convertible, or the quickest four-wheel drive car under £7,500, or what can you get for 10 grand with 350 horsepower. These are a slightly different league of car. We're going to have a look at the top 5, but we're actually going to have a brief look at the top 10 because it's a very Ferrari-dominated affair. We've got a Bugatti Chiron at number 10. We have a Koenigsegg at number 8, but then 3 Ferraris. Some quite modern ones, the Enzo and the LaFerrari, but this older classic one as well from 1967. But what makes up our top 5? As you can see, very Ferrari oriented again. A LaFerrari again in silver. Not sure I like them in silver. Ferraris have got to be red, really, haven't they? But £4.38 million will buy you this car. It wouldn't buy you a footballer, but it will buy you a LaFerrari. £4.4 million still won't buy you a footballer, but it'll buy you this absolutely striking looking muscular Ferrari 288. Look at the styling of that brute. That is the nearest Ferrari come to a muscle car, I think. That is a very aggressive looking car. I absolutely love the styling of that. And pop-up headlights. That has got to be worth at least £3 million of that 4.4 million price tag. What do you think of this stunning Ferrari 288? Moving along, we get into a pair of Ferrari Daytonas. We've only got photos for one of them, and it's kind of Aston Martin green and gold. Beautiful looking thing. Kind of unusual to see a Ferrari with Lambo doors in Aston Martin green. But apart from that, it is a phenomenal looking machine. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks like it's just come off the track at Le Mans. What do you think of that, ladies and gentlemen? Moving along then to our number 1 most expensive car that you could buy if you had £5 million on AutoTrader. Right now, still won't buy you a Premiership footballer though. It's the Batmobile, a Bugatti Chiron in glossy black. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely stunning. It's got a number plate off a Beetle by the look of it, 16 bug. But does it get more exotic than a Bugatti Chiron? That is what £5 million gets you. A kind of Ford Focus blue interior. Nice, that would look perfect in my ST. Maybe a bit more carbon fibre in there than my ST, and yeah, I could pop a flat bottom steering wheel on my ST and really replicate that interior. All joking aside, that is what £5 million gets you. Would that be your choice out of these cars? Performance wise, I'm absolutely certain you can't beat this car. Styling? Do you prefer this, or maybe one of our Ferraris? Maybe that 288, maybe a LaFerrari, maybe an Enzo. I don't know. Just imagine for one moment you have got £5 million in your bank account and you are going out to buy yourself one of these cars. Which one ends up on your driveway? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what subsection of the market you'd like to have a little peruse at next time. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. It all helps. Helps me keep motivated to carry on. Have a great day. Bye-bye.